I'm so in love.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HKBMW. Today, we're starting the vlog a little late. 6 p.m. The brigade is meeting up for a little bit of a social distancing cruise. We're gonna go check it out, see who all shows up, and we'll see if we head out for a cruise or not. It actually looks like it's about to start raining, so we'll play it by ear. We are taking the X1 tonight just because the manifold still hasn't arrived from Airlift Performance yet, which is okay. All the shipping has been delayed because of all the coronavirus and all that stuff, so I imagine it'll get here in the next day or two and we'll be able to put Quinn back together and put her back on her feet. But let's head over to Speeders where we're going to be meeting. Hopefully you can see that on the camera, but this little Mazda Protege in front of us definitely needs some new shocks. This car is just bouncing all over the place. Looks like it just needs help altogether. And if you guys haven't noticed, it is raining. So I don't know how long we're gonna stick around or do anything, but hopefully it's just short-lived. Well, it is absolutely pouring now. There's a few guys here. Steve, Nick, John. But it's brutal. You can hear it's pouring. Nick looks like he's getting soaked. Well, the rain seems to be lightening up. You guys remember Steve's GT3 RS? Got exhaust, roll cage. It's got new wheels coming for it. I remember when he first got this, he was like not modifying it, but it's sweet. It sounds absolutely incredible. Nick got some new coilovers. He's now extra low, low, low. Check out this fitment in the front. That's fitment. Static, boys. Bags are better, but it looks much better. Jen, YYC. Jason in his M3. Eldon is M4. John is 235, and Diego, probably remember this car. You guys probably remember, no more smashy smashy, all fixed up. The rain has stopped, the sun came out. Now we're gonna go for a little cruise just around the city. Something not as extravagant as we did with the Alberta crew, but there's a good turnout and should be a nice little cruise. I'll bring you guys along and let's go enjoy some scenery. One of the downfalls of bringing the X1 on the Brigade cruise is they're gone. They are gone. I can't take corners or exits and off ramps like they can, and they're long gone. Like I can't even see them anymore. I think I'm not even going to bother doing the whole route. I'm just gonna go to the end point where I know they're going. So I'll go down there and meet them where they're going. I think that'd be the easiest thing, because there's no point of trying to keep up with them. Welcome to downtown Calgary. We'll go through Eau Claire and go for a little tour. I'll show you guys what Eau Claire Market looks like. It's usually a fairly busy place in the summertime. Lots of stuff going on. It's located right next to Princess Island Park, which is also quite busy in the summertime. They do a lot of activities down here, but let's go for a little tour and check it out. All right, so here's Eau Claire Market. There's like restaurants and a food court in on this side, apartments, another restaurant. There's usually a lot of events that happen right here in this center court. There's a little kids water park that's normally there in the summertime. We got Joey's, Barley Mill, YMCA. We caught up to them. I was in a different parking lot. There's the new cage, Studio RSR. Gorgeous. There we go. What do you guys think? What's your favorite car? Drop a comment below. Let me know which car you would rock. M4 start. Porsche. That sounds so wicked. And that concludes tonight's adventures with the Brigade. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought. Pretty casual cruise for us anyway. Don't know what the other guys' cruises were like, but we got out, we got to see some familiar faces. It was good to see the boys. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Please stay safe, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.